Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Best jewel collection friends. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very attractive collection of bridal crowns for you, and I hope you like this beautiful and attractive fashion video of my channel also. So guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. Friends, as you can see that it's a very new and a very attractive collection for bridals, for bride and for teenagers as well. So whether you're going on a wedding ceremony of your friend or any type of casual event or any type of event like any type of concert or any farewell party or any bonfire, so you can wear these type of crowns as well, because it's a very new and a very attractive collection. So don't miss this new fashion video. Please watch this stunning and beautiful video of my channel till the end, and for more new upcoming ideas visit my channel Best Jewel Collection and visit my channel in Style Creation for more new updates. So if you want to see more about fashion ideas and you want to see fashion ideas earlier and you can see daily, so please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. Guys, as you can see, it's a very new and a very attractive collection. You can see it's a different type of gemstones are and these type of crowns. So don't miss this new video. You can see it's a different type of diamond crowns and very special stones are in these type of crowns. So don't miss this new fashion video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much for your support. Keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel. So guys, if you want to see any type of fashion video, so you can tell me in the comment box. Inshallah, next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you, and I hope you like this beautiful fashion video also. So take care of yourself and your family, and remember me in your special and beautiful prayers. And guys, you can purchase these type of crowns and cheap prices also, and it's depend on you and it's depend on your mood that whether you want to purchase as an expensive price or you want to purchase in cheap prices. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. My video almost has been ended. See you soon guys with a new video and with a new fashion. Bye bye. See you guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye.